Hey guys, Jeb here and welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna react to SMG4 Mario's Cruise in a Lightbulb, which, yeah, I have to hurry because my parents once again put, a time limit on my phone. So, yeah, let's start this video already.
SMG4.store, and with that, we're gonna go to the video now. Woo!
Yeah, I skipped the ad again.
This is so nice.
Let's go. What's next? Right, so this is the first video where SMG4 will appear in the entire video, not like in What Fight 2022, as his new, in his new form. Okay, this is a little funny, I'm just saying.
Mario!
Don't worry, Mario will fix it.
Hello!
Hey, put me down.
No, I'll fix it.
Oh, that's high. You...
I did it! Well, thank God I have a spare. God damn it, I can't believe
What did SMG4 doing?
That meme is kind of dead, so again, why are you using dead memes again?
Ooh.
Oh, you want Mario to hold this letter?
Just hold this tone and we can all go home. Mario, we all know things
What
are gonna
consular?
end up on fire if you do anything. So please just stand there and be useless.
Damn.
Oh,
Mario will show you useless.
so long, Paul.
Whoa.
Oi, keep it still, Toad!
Hey, Stinky.
So this is how I die.
Okay. Stupid
Stupid
SH4 thinking I can't stand still and hold something. Oh.
Don't mean, don't mean, don't mean.
Don't mean. Oh no! He's watching his ass.
My name is Cleveland Brown. My name is Cleveland Brown. Oh, goddammit, hold it still!
That doesn't even have sense. What?
Okie dokie. Easy for
Okay,
me.
Mario can do
Oh,
this.
you got the Mario
He's
thinking
got to
now.
meditate like Luigi taught me. Okay. Whoa!
Oi, Mario, hold it still! You little
Damn! Oh no! We'll kill Toad, will he? Oh, what the? Well, this is one way to get rid of Toad.
Oh, done.
Well, that was the only ladder we had.
Oh, you got the Mario
Oh,
thinking
don't
now.
worry, Mario has an idea. That was close. Oh, well, that was surprising.
I'm in danger!
Shoot it down.
Spider pig, spider pig. Get in there!
Oh my god. Ew. I'm kind of happy that Toad was finally shown again. Okay, close, you know. Don't you dare do it, Toad. I know what you're doing, but this won't solve the problem about the light bulb. I mean, you can burn Peach, so that's something good. Oh, oh.
Time to die. Hey, what the hell is wrong with you?
Yeah, what the hell, dude? I know that you're trying to get rid of Mario, but seriously?
Doesn't look like we can fix the light bulb.
Oh, mamma
If only Mario
mia.
could break the laws of physics. That's an interesting way to do that.
Hey, stop that! Come here, come here.
What are you doing? What's going on here?
Oh, finally, they're using Gmod in real life for the first time.
Eto, sono levato, l'abito.
Oh, you screw the damn light bulb in!
Do it. Do it. Do it. I already know something won't be that good. You. Doesn't fit. That's surprising.
What? What do you mean it's not working?
Eto, sono levato,
This is the wrong type of light
Just
bulb.
force it in!
Okay,
This will just break it.
I did it! Let there be light!
This won't be good. Yeah. I knew it. Oh. Okay. That's new.
Oh, poop.
Good evening.
Wow, I hate that.
You get no bitches!
That's kind of true.
Whoa!
Dude.
Can't touch me. Can't touch me.
Ew.
Better scramble like an egg before you get folded like an omelet.
This is one way to,
Do a little trolling. It's called we do a little trolling.
kind of true. Oh, is Luigi there? Is Luigi there? Yeah. I kind of knew that something like that will happen because Luigi and the ghosts.
No, not really.
Yeah.
Luigi, we're so happy to see you. We just wanted to replace a light bulb, and now the power's out.
Go, Luigi.
I know the answer is the giant super light bulb. In the basement, there's a socket we have to screw that into. It'll charge the power grid and the kingdom's lights will come back on. Interesting.
Wow, it's pretty convenient you had this on you then, huh?
After all this waiting, it's finally time for it.
Super Luigi Mansion.
Well, the ghost got revenge.
Looks like it's up to us then.
I bet.
Get that mother.
Time to suck them. Maximum suck. Yeah. Oh, and there it goes Toad. Again.
Well, now you're gonna get it, motherfucker.
Okay.
You want peanuts, enlargement pills?
What? Oh my god, that's kind of disgusting.
Oh,
Yeah, boy.
Nice.
What do I do?
This song reminds me of the old SMG4 songs, you know, in the classic era. That's one way to hurt a ghost. Oh.
Beat it now, bitch!
Big mistake. Idiot. Oh no! Oh my god.
Get in my belly!
Depresso, you dumbass. SMG4, there it is.
That's right. Take that, losers!
What? That kind of did nothing. Is something meant to happen?
What? No! This was meant to work! Come on, you stupid pieces!
Oh my... Well, you're dead.
Stand back. I'm warning ya. Error.
Oh, come on! This is gonna getting worse. It did.
Oh, you
Maybe we could be friends instead. Oh no. There's Toad. Toad will appear and say this. Yeah! Oh, you jerks, this is the last straw.
La la la. La la la.
Exactly the thing that Mario wanted to do from the beginning. Don't tell me this will work.
Mario, I told you already! Toad won't work! Shh!
What? Oh. Oh my god. Now that's one kind of way to light the entire Mushroom Kingdom again. Oh my! And to blind people. Well, he's dead.
I did it! I saved the world! Well, that was a load of shit.
Both are correct. Alright, let's see the art. Okay, I guess. Yeah, this episode was pretty fine. And it had some moments that were kind of okay and pretty funny as well. Didn't make me laugh, but they were pretty fine. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. I'll see you next time.